Hey there! If you've been struggling with weak, brittle nails or dealing with the frustrating issue of toenail fungus, you've probably tried countless remedies. But today, I'm going to review a product that's been getting a lot of attention, ProNail Complex. This doctor-formulated mist spray claims to strengthen nails and combat fungus using a blend of powerful, natural ingredients. But does it really work? Stick with me, and I'll give you all the details you need to know before you decide to buy. And if you're interested, I've left a link in the description where you can learn more. So, let's dive into the details. What exactly is ProNail Complex? It's a mist spray designed to penetrate deep under your skin and nails, delivering a combination of oils and vitamins that target the root causes of nail fungus and weak nails. One of the standout aspects of this product is its unique formula, which combines natural ingredients such as tea tree oil, known for its antifungal properties, and aloe vera, which helps with skin repair and soothing. It also contains vitamin E, an essential vitamin that promotes healthy nail growth, alongside sweet almond oil and lavender oil, both of which nourish the skin and nails while providing additional protection against fungus. These ingredients work together to not only help your nails recover from damage, but also to prevent future problems. Whether you're dealing with nail fungus or simply want healthier, stronger nails, this product addresses a variety of issues. Now, why would ProNail Complex be beneficial for you? If you've struggled with stubborn nail fungus or nails that are constantly breaking or splitting, this product could be the solution you've been looking for. The ProNail Complex is incredibly easy to use. Just spray it on your nails and let it work. There's no need for messy creams or difficult treatments. What's even better is how it's designed for deep penetration. The mist delivers microparticles that can reach the nail bed, where fungus often hides and thrives. This makes it far more effective than surface treatments that only address the visible problem. Another key advantage is that ProNail Complex uses a natural formula. There are no harsh chemicals, stimulants, or synthetic ingredients involved. It's also non-GMO, so you can feel confident using it over the long term without worrying about harmful effects. Plus, many users are reporting noticeable improvements in just a few weeks, with nails looking healthier, stronger, and free from infection. And here's something that really sets it apart. ProNail Complex comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means if you don't see improvements, you can get a full refund, no questions asked. This kind of guarantee gives you the confidence to try the product without any financial risk, which is always a great bonus. So, if you're ready to take control of your nail health and stop dealing with the hassle of weak nails or nail fungus, I'd recommend giving ProNail Complex a try. I've left a link down in the description where you can find more information and check out the current discounts. Don't forget, taking care of your nails isn't just about appearance. It's about your overall health too. And with ProNail Complex, you're getting a solution that's designed to work from the inside out, helping you maintain strong, healthy nails for the long run. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.